Hi, my name is Stephanie Lenine. I have started my internship today actually with an organization that combines practices from different lawyers, social workers, peer advocates, whole spectrum and team of people all in-house and in one place. And that team works together to advocate and work together on the same team for their caseload of use. So I am really excited. I'll start with what I'm excited about, but I'm excited to kind of have that holistic approach, learn more about how the various systems affect that youth and how working together with different branches of systems can help to either support or deter that youth. I would say I'm most concerned about not specifically even working at the organization, but learning to balance all of these different aspects of life that are going to be going on. I'm just actually moving into a new apartment. I've just started a new job, starting the internship. I'm moving back to an area that I was living in before. Just adopted a dog recently, and so there's a lot of life changes going on. So I'm definitely still in that adjustment period and hoping to still kind of find balance in my rhythm in everything. As far as managing it, I think just kind of, doing my best to check in with myself, especially with the pandemic and everything going on as well. I want to be doing self-care and checking in with myself and doing what it takes to kind of find those moments of balance and find a healthy rhythm for myself. I'm looking forward to being in this class with everybody and hearing what you guys are doing as well.